morning, welcome back. I've been snooping you guys with videos because I'm still busy with Kragdag preparation and stuff. I've got some ingredients for Kragdag, so I'm just going to share with you my newest haul here. Okay, so this is from African Soap Supplies. Few new ingredients as well. That is not really for Kragdag, but yeah, we need to play with new ingredients and try new things. Then I can give you new videos. So let's see. Just open up this one on that side. This one actually a quite heavy one. Oops. The packaging that just stuck to this a bit. Not a big issue. Okay, let's see. Got my list here. A pen. I don't think I've got a pen here. It's the easiest to summer check that everything is right and ready here. Let me just quickly go fetch a pen here. Okay, sorted here. Okay, let's see. I've got washing soda. Washing soda is, I've got a dishwasher, and dishwasher tablets are just way too expensive, so I'm busy formulating my own little tablets here, so the washing soda is part of that I bought for myself there. Washing soda, let me just quickly find it on here. There's the washing soda. Got it. Okay, then I've got shrink wrap to wrap all of my soaps in. So if you're visiting me in Kragdag, I'll put the Kragdag website link in the description box, then you can get more information on where it is, what it is, and all those kind of things. So shrink wrap for all of my soaps. It's one of the best ways to just keep everything nice and clean, especially on a market, because on the market lots of dust and lots of feet and stuff. Okay, my emulsifying wax, they upgraded the packaging. I love this. This is very nice packaging, and it's got a ziplock. This is amazing because usually I receive it, then I have to repackage everything in Ziploc bags. So this actually saves me a lot of time, and yeah, I love it. Thank you, Charlene. I'm glad you did do this. This is my emulsifying wax for the creams and the lotions, and even for the balms. I have the the sugar scrubs. They are a new product in the line, a sugar scrub. So you can come and visit me on that one. So I've got that one. Again, lovely shrink wrap wrapping, cetyl alcohol. This is also for ingredients for my creams and so on. Let me just quickly find this one here. That one there. Okay, one country ordered there. And I've ordered some magnesium chloride flakes. I had a packet that actually drew some water in. So this is just for muscle cramps, and it is excellent. This is what they use to make magnesium oil with. Magnesium oil is not really an oil. It is distilled water with magnesium chloride in it, and then they just spray it. It's got an oily feel when you dissolve magnesium flakes in it. I can maybe make a video to show you how I make my magnesium oil. So this is just for personal use. A kilogram is going to last me for another 10 years, I believe. So this one is going to take a long time to use up. So it's magnesium chloride flakes, put that one. Allantoin. Allantoin is an ingredient in, now the herb's name is evading me. Jenica, we spoke about it this morning. The one that heals bone, knit bone. What's the real name for it? I'm using it in basically all of my ingredients, and suddenly the name is just evading me. But allantoin helps to speed up cell generation and so on. I'm going to play around a little bit with more face skincare ingredients. Most of my stuff is body care. Face care is something new. I've been busy with it about a year, but I'm going to try the allantoin in some of my creams and experiment with it. And then if I've got something that I really like and trust, I'll share that with you as well. So the allantoin is one of the nice things to have in my new packet here. Okay, then I've got my little droppers. So sorry, Charlene, for the weird number. I broke one of my previous droppers, so I had to order 21 of them. 21. It's the easiest to check that there. So those are for my serums that I'm going to have on the market. Okay, then I've got my cedarwood essential oil. And those are the milliliters. There's the cedarwood essential oil, got that one there. My tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil is antibacterial, antiseptic, so I've used that in my balm, so it's one of my ingredients that I add there. Then lemongrass, you guys know there's lemongrass in everything. Helps for circulation and all those kind of nice things, so I've got that one there. And my shea butter came in a block this side. Okay, so I've got 1 kg shea butter. Everybody knows shea butter. If you don't know shea butter, go Google it. Lovely stuff. Let me just quickly get this one. There's the shea butter. Then I've got neem oil. Neem oil, I haven't used it before. I'm gonna work on something for mosquitoes and flies and stuff. Repellent kind of balm that I want to use. That is all of those. Let me just quickly see. I've got the neem oil, and I ordered some little balm type of things. I will find them somewhere. I can't remember if it's one of the things. I knew there was some of the stuff that was not available. I will see when I get there. Okay, but this is the neem oil. So I've got my neem oil. It actually repels bugs. Okay, neem oil there, and then okay, let me just get the big one out here. This is also an interesting one. I believe this is my coconut oil. Now this is virgin coconut oil, standard blend. So what I do is the organic coconut oil and the virgin coconut oil and stuff, as they put it through the machines and stuff, the two of them actually, they flush one out of the other, and then you get a blend of the two of them, so they can't really sell it as the one or the other. So then we get it cheaper for soap making. Lovely stuff for soap making. So that is my coconut oil there. That was a 5 kg. I should find it easily. 5 liters. Sorry, it's a 5 liters. In South Africa, they sell oil by liters, not by weight, which can be confusing sometimes. Okay, cyclomethicone. This is a kind of a silicone for hair and stuff. Haven't used it before. It's one of my new ingredients that I'm going to play with. So I can't tell you much about it at all. Haven't got a clue. Sometimes can't even remember what I want to do with it. Organic turmeric powder, and yeah, at least this color is awesome color, because the previous turmeric that I bought from a chain store, eventually when I read the ingredients list, they actually add maize flour and stuff to it. They extend it, so you get a little bit of turmeric and a lot of other stuff. So I've got some organic turmeric powder, and it actually looks like turmeric. So there's my turmeric one in here. Got turmeric powder, got that one. MSM, also anti-inflammatory. This is for personal use. I make these into tablets, then we drink it instead of other inflammation stuff. So MSM, just personal use. I can maybe make a cream with it. I've never tried it in a cream. I know you do get creams with MSM in it, so it might be a future project to make there. So my MSM, there I've got that one. BTMS 25. Now this is what I like about African soap supplies. You can buy small amounts and try something out, so you don't need to buy a kilogram of everything like with some other companies. So I can experiment with this. This is supposed to be a conditioner bar for hair, so I'm going to use that. And then I've got BTMS 85. I don't have a use for it. I don't have a recipe for it. So if you have something for it, please share it with me, because I just bought it while we are doing the shipping. It's another nice small ingredient. So it's my BTMS here, the 25 and the 85. So 25, at least I know what to do with that. Then I've got 2 lotion pump thingies, because I've got 2 extra bottles that I didn't have them. And then I have 200 ml bottles here. So these guys are going to be for hexane-free castor oil that I'm going to sell on the market as well. So I've got a whole bunch of them. Okay, 21 of them. Oh no, sorry, 20 of them. There they are. I've got them. Okay, so these guys are over there. Then I've got a little box here. I've got a new toy. I've got a multi-tool. So maybe I'll do a video on multi-tools as well. That's not really soap making related, but I can't live without mine. It helps like all kinds of things like this. I forgot I ordered these. This is going to be awesome. Okay. I've got a whole bunch of caps. Yeah. And I've got my dropper bottles. So I've put the blue ones with the silver droppers. I think it's just going to look lovely there. And then I've ordered the sample packs. So these are mica sample packs. This one's got all the greens in here. I don't know if you can see it there. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different shades of green there. Then I've got a blue and kind of to purple. Then the brown, bronzes and to goldish color. And these ones are the pink to purples. So I've got the whole range. This is awesome because usually when you order something, then you have to order the big packet. You're not sure if this is the color you like. Love these. These are just amazing. Okay, then I've got, I knew they're small, but I couldn't really figure out how small they are. These are like, okay, sorry, I'm just not marking off my stuff here. I've got my dropper bottles. They are all 20 there here. So I've got them. And then the clear dew tubes. These are the dew tubes. Let me just open them to you. It's like the speed sticks. It's the most cutest little things. I bought 2 of them to just try it out to make my anti-bugs go away stuffy, and I want to make it in a stick form, and I think this was very nice if you go camping to have something small in your pocket. So future project. This is not going to be on the market. This is just something I'm going to play with. So I've got my 2 little dew sticks here to test it. So there we go. And then I've got my black caps. They are all here. All my mica packs, full colors of those are here. And then I ordered another scale. These are not the most expensive ones, less than 100 rand here in South Africa. And what is nice about this one is the 500 gram maximum that it can go. And then it's got a 0.00. So I've got 2 decimals, or 2, how do you call it, 2 decimals after it. So it is very nicely packed. Oh, okay, it's just a nice protective color there, cover there. Okay. I don't think it comes with batteries, but I do have a whole shell. Yeah, it doesn't come with batteries. But this is nice if you start playing around with lighter ingredients that you get these in different ones that can only measure in 0.0, and this one can go 0.00. I've got one that's good, can go 500 grams, 0.0. Then I've got another little scale that can only go to 100 grams, 0.00. This one is the 500 grams, 0.00. So this one is actually the best of both worlds of my other 2. So because I'm always confusing, they look the same. So this one is going to save me a lot of time. Okay, and that's the whole bunch of it. So I hope I'm going to see some of you guys on the market on Kragdag. And come and visit me, say hi. If you have any ideas with any or all of these ingredients, so please let me know what you want to see. If I need to formulate something new, try something new, whatever. So, okay, but you guys must keep well, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video again. Bye.